is a young planetary system which belongs to a constellation. This constellation is named Centaurus. Now pay attention.
Okay.
Discovered using the JWST. When pictures came back to Earth, when scientists discovered me. And I am the host star of this system, you know, AK7 type orange dwarf star form 5.4 million years ago. I'm considered a young star when compared to your sun. I am the center of the PDS-70 system. This is a PDS-70 system. I have 2 planets that have been confirmed. This is a PDS-70 system. Let's break down the system and see what we can learn. I'm surrounded by a protoplanetary disk with a large gap likely cleared by my planets as they whisk. PDS-70b and PDS-70c are 2 of my confirmed planets that orbit me. PDS-70b was discovered in 2018, 22 AU from its star, that is me. PDS-70c was discovered in 2019, located about 34 AU orbiting me on the scene. This is a PDS-70 system. I have 2 planets that have been confirmed. This is a PDS-70 system. Let's break down the system and see what we can learn. My system has a circumstellar disk surrounding it with an inner cavity sculpted by the planets, I admit. PDS-70c has something surrounding it. This is what you would call a circumplanetary disk. Both the circumstellar and circumplanetary disk are possibly forming exomoons like Jupiter formed his. Both planets are young gas giant protoplanets. We can learn how planets formed by listening to scientists. This is a PDS-70 system. I have 2 planets that have been confirmed. This is a PDS-70 system. Let's break down the system and see what we can learn.
God, there's a lot of trash. Trash? Get it? Trash?
I like cotton candy and so wide a pop planet beyond your sky. Floating soft like a dream, so free, the mystery of WASP 193b. Far beyond Neptune and Hydra's embrace, the planet drifts in the vastness and darkness of space. 1,000 light years of cosmic ballet. WASP 193b leads the way. They found it shining in 2023 through WASP cells, keen-eyed spree, TRAPPIST tests, and Speculus watched its transit with no excuse. Light like cotton candy and so wide a puffball planet beyond your sky. Floating soft like a dream, so free, the mystery of WASP 193b. This yellow-white star that's larger than your sun, it's an F-type star, that's some great information. I do orbit the star that goes by the name of WASP 193. My name's almost the same. My star is located in the constellation Hydra. I'm a gas giant exoplanet, that's what we know so far. I am a giant in size and feather light. I'm less dense than air, and a wondrous sight. Scientists ponder as they scratch their heads. How was this marshmallow planet that we discovered bred? Lilac cotton candy and so wide a puffball planet beyond your sky. Floating soft like a dream, so free, the mystery of WASP 193b. I'm 5 times closer than Mercury to my star. At 0676 AU, that's not too far. I orbit my star once every 6.25 days. Let's sing the chorus now and get on our way. Fly like cotton candy and so light above all planet beyond your sky. Floating soft like a dream, so free, the mystery of WASP 193b. Humans can't survive on Mars until these issues are solved. Here are the top problems humans will have to resolve. Let's take a look at Mars and Earth side by side to see the challenges you need to solve for you to survive. Radiation exposure's the first issue on our list. Solar radiation from the sun is something your skin won't miss. Earth has a strong magnetic field that deflects ultraviolet rays and a thick atmosphere that absorbs these rays so you can play. Mars has no magnetic field, so those rays get right in, and its thin atmosphere doesn't block much radiation. Lack of oxygen's a major problem if you want to live on it. Mars has a tiny amount, but not enough for you to benefit. Earth has oxygen in which you will breathe to feed your cells. 21% of Earth's atmosphere's made up of it. How swell. Mars has barely any oxygen on it for you to breathe. There's only 0.16%. That's not close to what you need. Humans can't survive on Mars until these issues are solved. Here are the top problems humans will have to resolve. The extreme cold is something you should pay close attention to. You would freeze to death immediately on Mars, it's true. Earth's average temperature is 59 degrees Fahrenheit. That's warm enough to wear a t-shirt and feel that sunlight. Negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit's the average on Mars. That's cold enough to freeze your cells on the planet and the stars. Water scarcity is a huge problem if you need it to drink. On Mars it's mostly made of ice, which is tough to pour through a sink. Dust storms and toxic soil are major problems here. Let's see the reasons why they hinder life to thrive all year. Dust storms hinder solar power and energy. Temperature, health risks, and impair visibility. Toxic soils make growing food really difficult. It can poison groundwater, causing health risks as a result. Humans can't survive on Mars until these issues are solved. Here are the top problems humans will have to resolve. Let's take a look at Mars and Earth side by side to see the challenges you need to solve for you to survive.
I want to be happy outside. Dun 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 dun. Dad will go outside to check. You guys can watch TV while I'm outside.
Have you heard my name before? I'm 2024YR4, an asteroid that's classified as a Neo. Now let's go explore. Classified as an Apollo type asteroid, but what's that mean? My orbit crosses Earth's path around the sun. More about me. Discovered in 2024 by Atlas in the country of Chile. That means asteroid terrestrial impact. Last alert system you see. Have you heard my name before? I'm 2024YR4, an asteroid that's classified as a Neo. Now let's go explore. As of February 19th in 2025, there's an update from NASA that me and Earth could collide. On the date of December 22nd, 2032, there's a 3.1% chance that I could collide with you. This is the highest percentage for an asteroid of this size, but there is also a much higher chance that I will pass by. Have you heard my name before? I'm 2024YR4, an asteroid that's classified as a Neo. Now let's go explore. My diameter ranges between 130 and 300 feet. The higher size is above the height of the Statue of Liberty. If I did hit Earth by chance, it would devastate a big city, and my blast radius would be 30 miles around me. Have you heard my name before? I'm 2024YR4, an asteroid that's classified as a Neo. Now let's go explore. In response to my threat, NASA's DART mission would help to alter my trajectory. Well, isn't that swell? But there remains a 96.9% chance that I will safely pass by Earth when I do advance. Have you heard my name before? I'm 2024YR4, asteroid that's classified as a Neo. Now let's go explore. Kids learning too. We are the planets, not the solar system. How fast can an airliner go around each one of us for fun? An airliner's a commercial jet that carries passengers. Jets can fly 575 miles per hour for sure. Earth's circumference is the distance around me, which is around 24,901 miles. You can see going 575 miles per hour around Earth would take 43 hours to fly around once. For what that's worth, we are the planets, not the solar system. How fast can an airliner go around each one of us for fun? Mercury, my circumference is over 9,500 miles. To fly around me once would take 16 hours in this trial. Venus is over 23,000 miles in circumference. It would take an airliner 41 hours to fly around me once. Mars has a circumference of 13,200 miles. Flying around me once would take 23 hours. That's a while. We are the planets, not the solar system. How fast can an airliner go around each one of us for fun? It's 272,000 miles around Jupiter. Flying around me once takes 474 hours for sure. Saturn's circumference is 235,000 miles around. A jet flying around me once takes 409 hours, I found. 99,000 miles is Uranus's circumference shown here. A jet would take 173 hours to fly around me once, I share. Neptune's circumference is 96,685. Once around me takes 168 hours of stride. We are the planets, not the solar system. How fast can an airliner go around each one of us for fun? Thanks for watching KLT. Please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and check out the KLT merch store.
计划3